Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix VAL43 error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, close any running instance of Valorant. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager, then go to the Details tab. Look for any process named Valorant or Riot Client. If you find one, select it and click End Task. Next, open the Run dialog by typing Sent App Data Sent in the search bar and hit Enter. Navigate to the App Data folder at the top, then go to Local Riot Games Riot Client Config. Find the file named riotclientsettings.yaml, right-click it, and delete it. Now repeat the previous step by typing Sent App Data % again. Then navigate back to Local, Valorant, Saved, Config, Crash Report Client. Select all files inside and delete them. Then go back to the Saved folder and open the Logs folder. Delete everything there too. After that, type Services in the search bar and open it. Look for VGC, right-click on it, and go to Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, then Start and confirm with OK. Now open Command Prompt as Administrator and run the following two commands: net sh winsock reset and ipconfig/flush DNS. Finally, restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. So that's basically how you can fix VAL43 error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.